Hello viewers, today we have came up with a different kind of video. Basically, this video is being made at the request of many traders who have requested many times to present the video so that they can watch this type of video. And this video is about withdrawal process in XM broker. That means today we will withdraw money from XM broker and this will show you in this video. Moreover, there is another reason for sharing this video, and the reason is to increase your confidence. There are many who have doubt about withdrawal. So today we will publish this video and we will withdraw a small amount to remove those doubts. Today we just present how to withdraw from here very easily, and you can withdraw money from here instantly. So today we make withdrawal from XM broker. Everything will be highlighted in details. So today our main topic is how you can withdraw profit from this broker, and I will highlight the details with proof. So viewers, I'm an official member of Forex BD. I hope you all are well. We came to our account to show you the whole thing. Surely you can see we have selected our payment system. Come to the withdrawal option and then select the payment gateway of your choice. Then you have to write the withdrawal amount in this space. We will withdraw a small amount to show you. So we are going to withdraw $10 today. So we write $10 in this option. Then you have to write email address next to it. We are writing Skrill email address. Dollar will be sent to your email address. However, if you deposit through Skrill, then you have to withdraw through Skrill. That means deposit and withdrawal gateway must be same. Then click on the request option with a tick mark below, and a request will be sent for withdrawal. And we send the request and our request is successful. This is exactly how you send a request. First, come to the withdrawal option, then select your payment gateway, then write the amount, thus send a request. Since this broker pays fast, you don't have to wait long. Anyway, we sent the request, you must have seen it. So today we will show you the proof. A Gmail will appear as soon as the payment is made. We will show you that email. One thing to keep in mind is that if you have an account under Forex BD's link, there are numerous facilities for you, such as you can verify the whole account with just an ID card, you can make instant local deposit at home, you will have the opportunity to trade at zero spread, you can take Islamic account and you will get the copy trading account. Also 100% secure. So with so many benefits in hand, why do you choose another broker? Make an account under Forex BD's link right now. So as I said, we will show the proof that we have received our payment. I will show it to you. That's why we have to show a email. We got an email from XM. Here you can see a new email has arrived and XM has confirmed to us by email that we have been paid. It's very easy. There is no problem in withdrawal. You can easily withdraw as you can see. You can see in the mail that we are paid $10. We withdraw a small amount just to show you. I hope you understand today's video. Surely you have seen today with proof how much easy to withdraw balance in this broker. So this is a regulated broker. You can withdraw money whenever you want and what amount you want. Not only this, there have numerous benefits. I will show you, but I have a request. Those who don't subscribe our Forex BD, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update, because your one subscribe can inspire us to do better video. If you work here, you will not have any tension. Why? For example, you don't have to worry about account verification. You can open an account and verify it with just 5 minutes. Yes, if you don't believe it, you can watch our video. We have presented a video how you can verify your account with just an ID card and instantly. You can see this video if you have any doubt. First, open an account, then submit your document, then you will see your account will be verified. Then there is advantage of local deposit, which means you can deposit through bank or mobile banking if you want. That means if you want, you can deposit through bank from home. Then here you will get live support in your language. There have various language for live support. Then there is numerous contest in every month. So if you have an account under Forex BD's link, then you can participate in any contest. Especially you will get zero spread account if you create your account under Forex BD's link. So there have numerous benefit. So don't waste time, create your account right now under Forex BD's link. Lastly, it doesn't matter where you're creating your account. When you create your account, obviously don't forget to use the Forex BD's link. If you use Forex BD's link, then you will get numerous benefit. Your account will always be protected. You can use your account with zero spread. You can verify your account with just an ID card, and you can verify your account without deposit in payment gateway. So don't waste time. Do your account under Forex BD's link. So before finishing the video, a humble request to you: if you like this video, don't forget to give us a like and leave a comment in the comment box. And if you want to know any topic about Forex, don't forget to comment in the comment box. Forex BD obviously by your side 24 hours. So inspire us by liking and leave a comment for your desired information. And don't forget to subscribe so that we can stand by your side. And if we get your support, obviously we will help you whenever you need.